collar worker, white collar crime, working on the grind, 9 to 5 to stay alive in this nature's pyramid where we live in troubled times. Blue collar crime, white collar worker, blue collar worker, white collar crime, working on the grind, 9 to 5 to stay alive in this nature's pyramid where we live in troubled times.
I work hard for my money, I should've gone to college, but would've flunked out, I wasn't ready for the knowledge. I'm at the loading dock, working OT for this sucker who cracks a whip and don't give a shit if people suffer. I wanna buy a crib, I just wanna live like they do on TV, but I gotta feed my kids. Jose got a plan on how we can get some cash, and he wants to use my crib as a place to hold his stash. So we going on a brick, split it half and half, selling O's to street clicks, food cut and cooking for crack. A posse got my back, bricks turn into keys, keys turn into shipments. U.S. Marshals watching me with the job at the dock for my white collar crime. Coke's the #1 stock in our country's pipeline. Republicans are loving it, Coke controls the government, a scapegoat for hire, but it's all that I'm running with.
Blue collar crime, white collar worker, blue collar worker, white collar crime, working on the grind, 9 to 5 to stay alive in this nature's pyramid where we live in troubled times. Blue collar crime, white collar worker, blue collar worker, white collar crime, working on the grind, 9 to 5 to stay alive in this nature's pyramid where we live in troubled times. Started off in senior high, bagging nicks and dimes, flip the pie, live or die, hustle trees, push your weed, so simplified to my feet. Started sniffing lines, forget the lie, in the nick of time I was getting tired of some different guys. Turned through a friend, Tony through this large kingpin, moving up the ladder, pad looks like a pig pen. I reported every week to the place we like to meet on the south side of town, sipping product for the streets. With Tony packing heat, there's no way we could be beat. Dressed to impress, suits, polished loafers on my feet. The blend, as a businessman, I kept it so discreet. Took another step up the ladder, push it to succeed. Took orders from the boss and formed a tight committee. Stashing stock in warehouse spots throughout the city. Rival dealers out to get me, got me thinking someone's stitching out the crew. Tony's got a crew, but now the feds are listening. Blue collar crime, white collar worker, blue collar worker, white collar crime, working on the grind, 9 to 5 to stay alive in this nature's pyramid where we live in troubled times. Blue collar crime, white collar worker, blue collar worker, white collar crime, working on the grind, 9 to 5 to stay alive in this nature's pyramid where we live in troubled times.
Yeah. Got a little public service announcement for y'all. You ready? Check this out. So you chillin' on a Monday with nothing going on. Before you step out, you better listen to this song. You call your homie up, cause your favorite team is ballin'. Monday night kick off at 9 and there's no time for stalling. You head to the spot to suck down a couple beers. Walk into the place and you hear a couple cheers. Take a couple shots to the head with no fear. See a bunch of Dallas fans and they score. Fuck them queers. Yo, Monday night football ain't the place to scoop a hoe. If you meet her watching football, you should just say no. She's there for the stares, plus she needs all the attention. She likes to see dudes battle, she gets high off the tension. See, we don't think off the drink, watching football at the bar, chillin' with the fellas, not looking for some broads. But scallywags come through, cause they like the ratio of 40 wasted dudes to 5 trifling hoes. She's not even that hot, you're just drunk off all the beer. The least ugly becomes a dime, cause that's all that's here. She's making her rounds, every drunk dude is down, and you hollering at her, hating on these other clowns. They hating on you too, man, you know how this goes. You turn to your homie like, man, let's fuck these hoes. Stop, it's Monday, save your money and stay home. These bitches watching football, they ain't even worth the dome. If you met her at that spot, just hit it and quit. Cause a bitch is a hoe, is a slut, is a... She's cheating on a man and starting bar fights. Don't kick it with those heartlets, stay home on Monday night.
Yo, it's halftime, more than up around for the crew. I staring at her breast, your man staring at him too. Had too much to drink, now you gotta take a fucking leak. Stagger out the bathroom, this chick is sitting in your seat. Shit is getting deep, proceed with caution, gripping on your meat. This chick appearing incoherent, different than you peep. You tap her on the shoulder, what's your name, pretty miss? Suddenly this bitch turns around, looking beaten, pretty pissed. She slaps you in your face and pulls a beer on your clothes. You try to block the slap, instead she caught an elbow to the nose. The bouncers hem you up and by now you're about to flip. Your team's about to score, all your boys already split. The stupid ass trick spits in your grill like she's worthy. Find out all this happened cause you wore the wrong jersey. You beg for mercy as they kick you out and beat you senseless. Push you to the ground and for your contact lenses. Left your keys inside the bar and spent all your cash. Falling to your knees, you scream, but your clothes are looking trash. Call your homeboy up for a ride, pick me up fast. Take my advice, Monday nights for football, not for getting ass.